Did you know that most people are paying more in interest, getting denied for loans, or missing opportunities because they never learned how credit really works? If that sounds like you, don't feel bad. Most people were never taught this. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people trying to fix everything at once. They watch videos, listen to different opinions, and end up more confused than before. Instead of doing that, start with these 5 tips. Tip number 1, know what's on your credit reports. Before you can fix anything, you need to know what's being reported. Look at all 3 credit reports and check for collections, charge-offs, late payments, wrong balances, duplicate accounts, or anything that doesn't belong to you. Tip number 2, stop missing payments. Your payment history is a big part of your credit score. Even one late payment can hurt you. Set reminders or use automatic payments so you don't miss due dates. Tip number 3, keep your credit card balances low. Making your payment is good, but carrying high balances can still hurt your score. The lower your credit utilization, the better it can look to lenders. Tip number 4, don't ignore inaccurate information. If something looks wrong, incomplete, or doesn't belong to you, don't assume it will fix itself. Review it and dispute what you believe is not reporting correctly. Credit repair is not about removing everything. It's about making sure your report is accurate and complete. Tip number 5, have a real plan. Credit repair is not just dispute letters. You also need better habits, a budget, and a clear action plan so you don't end up back in the same situation. Improving your credit does not mean you have to be perfect. It means you have to be consistent. Small changes today can help you qualify for better rates, better approvals, and more financial options later. If you've been putting this off because you're afraid of making the wrong decision, you don't have to figure it out alone. Comment credit below, and I'll send you the first steps to help you better understand your credit and start building a plan that fits your situation.